can make your patio look good. Open air spaces are rare in today's urban areas, and having even a tiny patio is better than nothing. Often, the lack of space is used as an excuse for neglecting a small gardening area. However, limited space shouldn't deter you from making the most out of the outdoors. All it takes is creative design ideas. Here are some options for decorating a tiny patio or a terrace. Number 1. Wall-mounted greenery. If the patio has just enough space for seating, mounting pots and planters on the wall is a great option for adding greenery to the area. Depending on your budget, you can create a green wall with automated drip irrigation or hang a few pots and planters on hooks. Number 2. Highlight nature. A small patio might not have space for anything other than the green hedge that acts as the boundary wall. Using wood, bamboo, and other natural materials to decorate the area can pull together a gorgeous space. Number 3. Wood for a natural look. Using wood is a lovely way to bring out a warm and cozy look to the patio without compromising on the natural feel. Add a small deck or use wood as wall cladding and furniture to create a stunning and relaxing patio. Number 4. Zen-inspired courtyard. Oriental gardens are minimalist and low maintenance, but they manage to bring a classy look to even a small space. It doesn't have to be expensive. Using white pebbles, clay pots, and shrubs of varying heights and textures can create a soothing space. Number 5. A cozy corner with shade. Placing a comfortable sofa or chair under a tree in the corner of the patio or terrace can create a charming area for lounging in the sun. Number 6. Rustic combination of stone and wood. Pebbles on the floor with wooden planks as stepping stones make a lovely rustic setting for an outdoor area. Number 7. Low maintenance tiles with a few shrubs. A narrow area between the wall and the house can be decorated with tiles and a few flower beds to create a space for stepping out into the outdoors. Number 8. The sophistication of a pergola. In an open area, building a pergola adds elegance in addition to creating a lovely play of light and shadow. Number 9. Private beach. You don't have to restrict yourself to adding greenery. A sandbox, tiny pond, beach chairs, sun umbrella, and a tent can create a charming beach setting for you to enjoy the outdoors. Number 10. Relax in a hammock. A narrow and elongated space is no excuse for neglecting an outdoor area. Hang in a hammock between the walls and planting shrubs below can transform the place. Number 11. Build a green wall. A dull boundary wall can be brought alive by planting a green wall filled with shrubs, ferns, and flowering plants. Number 12. Step out zone. When a patio is too narrow, creating a small space to step out for a breath of fresh air is a great idea for utilizing the space. Plants can create a green border for the area. Number 13. A refreshing welcome. The narrow pathway leading from the gate to the house can be decorated with greenery on either sides to add a relaxing feel to the entrance area. Number 14. Gravel and colorful walls. On a small budget, a stunning space can be created with just gravel-less flooring and a bright wall. Number 15. Give in to nature. An open courtyard can turn into a charming green space by letting nature take its course with grass, trees, and creepers. Number 16. Concrete banks. Another cost-effective and low-maintenance option is to create casual seating by building concrete seats along the wall. A few floor cushions work as comfortable and beautiful accents for the area. Number 17. A floating awning. A small enclosed area can be protected with an awning, allowing seats to be placed underneath it to enjoy the outdoors. Number 18. Dividing pillars. The open space in an entranceway can be divided into a passageway and a garden by building concrete pillars that separate the two areas. Number 19. Playing with timber. Wood is a versatile material for using in the outdoors. Utilize it to create shade or as wall cladding or deck flooring to create a cozy space. Number 20. An edible garden. Of course, planting herbs or an organic garden is a green idea for efficiently using a small outdoor space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more ideas on how you can elevate your house. Thank you for watching and goodbye.